doing something in mathematics was always a very challenging thing for us from the beginning, and especially doing with the kind of work we are doing, and with drama, with songs, with um, imaginary character, cartoon characters, was a huge challenge. Initially, when Nilanjana Di, our head, she explained us her vision. Then we thought like it was like a mountaining job, mountaining work, Everestian work. But later we realized, while doing it repeatedly, while doing it every day, that it became a habit. And the toughest thing was to do mathematics for children of class 6, 7, 8. um, Follow their textbook and follow content outside their school, outside their school text, for everybody. Whatever mathematics is around you, doing both the taking both the things in your mind, and doing programs in a easy way, in an entertaining way. This was the toughest job. Because when you do something, when you take a hard topic, or when you take any topic, and if you just project that in a radio language, many of times we see that you do everything, but it's not appealing you, it's not easy, it's not something which gives you a wow factor. But doing it with a very easy, simplistic way, painting with lots of color, making it a rainbow kind of finish, it was always challenging. And by the grace of God, I think we have, although we are not very satisfied, but still I think our team is very happy. At least we reached 50% of our goal. There are a few programs, maybe 5 or 7 out of 10, where we could implement our ideas. Like, our projection was always, in no point of time, in 15 minutes, more than 2 minutes or 1.5 minutes, one person will be speaking continuously. Our point of view was to use more and more songs, less of dialogue, monologues. Our point of view was use more than 4 characters in every every program or every subject. But we couldn't do it. There are different reasons. But still, if you talk about achievements was, there are lot of listeners we could get, who are regularly listening to our shows. And while doing the survey, baseline survey and after effect, it could easily understandable for a layman. Then there's an improvement, and the improvement are on those sector where we worked. So, and it's the same people we surveyed, so it was very visible. So by the grace of God, I think I am no one, or we are no one, to judge our work. Let's people judge. Maybe many of the other people are working in India from other aspects, or maybe in different way. So somebody else is to judge how is your work. All of us, we learned circle in geometry class in school. What if I play a song, Kolabiridi song, in a class 5 or 6 class? They sing, they hum, they dance, and it's not Kolabiri. It's actually a song which is describing a circle. Everything in that song is not talking about the Kolabiridi song. It's talking about the circle. And while you learn, you don't understand that I'm learning. That is the joy of learning. Unfortunately, in our circles, and unfortunately in our schools, the time we have done our schooling, even today, hardly students get this kind of dynamic things, where learning becomes enjoyment. You enjoy your learning. We know in abroad there are places where they do all practical things. While they learn, they use audio visual, they take props. But in taking those ideas and taking our past experience, radio experience, we could only say that we worked very hard to make it easy. This was the toughest job, to make it easy and not to make it a regularized monologue, dialogue, discussion program where somebody is coming and teaching a student. It's a one-way communication, or it's a one-way giving and taking thing. That was the challenge. Initially there was radio, no television. Hypothetically, if you think, initially somebody invented television, later radio came. In that circumstances and that point, nobody will believe that a radio drama is applicable. In no circumstances a radio drama can be applicable to anybody, or it can at all appeal anybody. So this is the beauty of radio, where you can see thing, where you can visualize thing. That's what the power of radio. So what can be better than this? And mathematics is not about what you see on board and you calculate. There are other things also in mathematics, where you can imagine, where you can hear and you can sketch, you can write on your paper, and there are things we have done in this way.